What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lachuga, and today we're doing some tail lights on the Jeep 4xe. There's the aftermarket one, and here is the stock one. Pretty plain. I still kind of like it because it's got the oracle that goes around it, but these ones are pretty cool. So we'll just show you really quick what they look like on versus the old ones. Again, nothing really wrong with the old ones. I think they're actually pretty nice. That being said, I got these, and you can see there's a blinker on the side. The old one doesn't have that. But the main reason I bought these was because the lights were only, how much were they? They were 25 bucks, so a steal. Here's the old ones, and as you can see, no blinker. So that being said, I ended up going with these. I wonder if I can turn the lights on. There we go. So as you can see, there's the running light, and there's the running light. Again, nothing wrong with these ones. These ones still look pretty cool, pretty nice. The side marker's up here instead of right here, where this one has moved to right here, and the blinker right there. And then obviously these are blinkers, and then you have the reverse light. So that being said, put this back on auto. We're gonna go over really quick how to install this. So you're gonna have to end up taking the hardware off of your old light, which was this one. Took the hardware off and attached it to this one. And this is, you know, pretty simple to install. First thing you do, come over here. There's gonna be a tab like this, and you're just gonna pop it off. As you can see, pretty simple to pop off. Kind of just goes right back in there. I might actually just put it back in. So yeah, pop that off right here with the flathead. Once you do that, you're gonna have to unscrew that, as you can see, and that is a 3/16. That's what's been working for me. Make sure it's lined up so you don't strip it, because I don't know if this is the exact size, but like I said, it came out pretty good for me. Take it out by hand the rest of the way. Hopefully the light doesn't fall. Let's see, it's almost there. So yeah, you're just gonna take this out by hand. This is the only thing holding in the light. And this side will also have, like I said, one of these little tabs right there where you pop it off with the flathead. I would go with the smaller flathead, the smaller the better. Pull this out. This is the only thing holding it in. Set that aside. Come over here to the light, and it just comes out. So I might just try to set down the light really quick. All right, try not to scratch anything. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this tab, you're gonna pull it back like that. You're gonna push down on the black. Oh, sorry. All right, sorry about that. So as you can see, kind of, see that little tab in there? I kind of clipped it, flipped it up. So I took a really small flathead and kind of just pried it up a little bit, made it unclip, and it should just pull apart. Sorry, this is my bad hand, I jacked it up. Yeah, so there's the light. Comes out pretty simple. The next thing you're gonna need to do, which I accidentally did already, was I took this clip off of here. As you can see, it kind of just slides on like that. And then it actually just kind of slid off. I think I had to, same kind of thing, kind of pull it up. So let me show you again. Kind of pull it up at an angle, and it slides out. So again, two hands makes this a lot easier, but you're gonna actually be reusing this hardware. So you're gonna take off 3 screws, Phillips. So I'm gonna set my new light how I need it. Like this, as you can see, this is how it is gonna line up, just like the old one. So a screw here, here, and here. So you're gonna use that screw here, here, and here. So yeah, I'm gonna just you know, take these screws out really quick, put them on here, and take this whole kit off. So yeah, you have to, in order to put your new lights on, you have to take some of the old hardware off. So I'm gonna take this off really quick and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, here we are again. As you can see, the old light, I put a sticker on it for right, left. Same thing over here, it's already marked for you. So now we're gonna just test it out. We're gonna come over here really quick. Should do this before you do everything else, is you should test it before you even swap over all the hardware and stuff. But okay, it's clipped in, locked in. And just kind of slide the light in really quick. Looks like some of the rubber stuff on the inside of the Jeep got kind of jacked. Let's see, so line it up. Hardware's in the way. Again, a lot easier doing this with two hands instead of one. So sorry about the shakiness. Again, it's just a little bit more to do when you're trying to do this all with one hand. Okay, so. All right, sorry I cut the video. Struggling trying to get in the light, so we're gonna test them both out, which, as I was saying, you should always test them before you even fully install them. But as you saw, we did the bracket first, and it kind of is what it is. So let's see, that one's working, and that one's working. So they're pretty cool. I like them. I think they're pretty cool. So yeah, this is the new lights, and again, it's got the side marker down here, side light right there. So it looks like on the box, as you can see, kind of covered. But yeah, that's how it blinks and stuff, so it's pretty cool. And again, there's the reverse light, and I got these for $20. So that's the only reason that I redid the tail lights even, was because I got a steal on them for $20. Sorry, the camera's a little dirty, it looks like. There we go. Yeah, that's the main reason why I even did the tail lights, because it was super cheap. Couldn't really beat the price, and if they didn't work, I'd return them. But they seem to be working pretty good, and they look pretty good, and I like them. So yeah, there's the new tail lights. Kind of cool. Again, once you get the tail light in, you're gonna come back over here and install this. You can do most of it by hand, and then just kind of tighten it down after to make sure, you know, it's in there nice and good. But yeah, you can do most of it by hand. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. Sorry for all the in and out cutting. I just wanted to make sure you can see it properly. So yeah, just make sure you mark your old tail lights so you know which one's which. Like I might even put like a D over here, or no, a P over here, and then a D over there for like driver side, passenger side, just to make sure that they don't get mixed up. I don't know if it makes that big of a deal, but rather be safe than sorry. So yeah, I need to clean this, it's filthy. But yeah, after you install it, just put your little cap back on, clip it back down. I'm not doing that obviously because I gotta tighten that down the rest of the way. But yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful, and I think it gives it a nice look. I do have some more lights that will be going over here, also smoked out. The only other things we really have done is some floor mats, and I have some guards to help protect the side, which are located right here. So nothing too crazy. Plan on getting a screen protector soon. So yeah, there's these for the door sills, and there it's gonna kind of just go, I think, right there. So kind of like a similar look. It's the diamond look. These were really cheap. They were around 20 bucks, and I'm gonna be installing these soon, and I'll show you how to install these. So if you're thinking about getting a set of these, check out the video, see what they look like, and then how to install them and stuff. So yeah, these are the taillights. Super simple to install, super easy, and they look pretty good if you ask me. So I like them. But yeah, again, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you find it helpful. If you haven't already, subscribe. Stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. The Tesla's gonna be getting some modifications, or accessories, not modifications, some accessories. I'm debating on putting a table here for the Jeep. Haven't decided yet. The Bronco's gonna be getting some stuff. The 4Runner is gonna be getting some stuff done. And the Renegade is just gonna be getting some small stuff done. Lambo is gonna become a project here pretty soon. And then this Ninja 300 is gonna be a whole different project. Complete teardown of the body, and then complete custom everything, exhaust to tail lights to blinkers, headlights, side mirrors, everything. This is gonna be a 100% custom bike. So this is gonna be a build. It's gonna be around $1,000 for everything. I don't want to say completely 100% custom. I'm not really gonna do any engine modifications. You know, don't mess with something that's not broke. Some small stuff, maybe like an exhaust and then the headers and stuff, but a complete build for that. And then the Bronco, like I said, will be getting more stuff. So stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. Sorry I'm going on and ranting. Again, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching 303 Streets. Have a good day.